How to add and edit cards in Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're on Trello and wondering how you can actually use those cards, here's how you do it. First things first, launch open the Trello app on your device and log into your account. Now once you're logged into the home page or the board section of Trello, go ahead and find a list. Open up your board and click open a list. And once you're inside the list, such as to-do list, ideas, or tasks, click on the Add Card button in the pop-up. Now, give a name to your card and write it down in this text box. Once done, click Add. Now your new card has been created. To edit a card, tap on the card that you just created. A bigger window will open. Here, you can add descriptions, checklists, set due dates, attach files or links, and etc. To do so, first of all, go ahead and select Add Checklist, and you can break your task into smaller steps. For example, click on Add Item and break it down into smaller checklists. Write down the checklist name, click on the tick mark, and you have added a checklist over there. Keep adding the checklist that you want to break down into. Once you are done with adding the checklist, click on Add a Description. Here, you can write down a detailed description such as your notes, instructions, or ideas. Once you are done writing down the description, now go ahead and tap on the Start Date option. Select your starting date and in the due date, pick a deadline so you can stay on track and click Save. Once you are done, the next thing to do is to add labels. Choose colors to organize tasks under members. Assign the card to yourself or teammates. Now, as you see the attachments option, tap the plus button, and if you want to add any attachments such as documents, images, or links, you can go ahead and select from the menu. After you are done with it, you can now head back. So that is how you add and edit cards in Trello. Play around a bit and your board will feel like a personal productivity hub. So that is how you add and edit cards in Trello in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.